guys, it's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another type of video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here today. And today, if you haven't read the title, I am using the Juvia'S Place new eyeshadow palette and liquid shadows. So if you want to see how I created this look, then let's get right into this video. Alright, so they have Fula. Let's see Fula. Which color I'm working with today. So that's Fula. That's cute. It's like reflective. Next one is Afrochella. Ooh. And this one is Kente. It's like bronzy, pinkish, reddish, gold. It's like reflecting all different type of colors. Alright, last one is Ankara. This looks like it has green in it. And Dew. Green, yellow, purple. It's crazy. Yeah, it's looking yellow right now. So I'm gonna go into this brown color right here and put that into the inner crease. I'm using my Morphe 431 brush. See how I did that? This brush is good for like precision. Next color I'm going into is this orange shade right here and blending that out. This is the Morphe 506 brush. Going back into the first shade. Then going into this shade right here, which is like a yellowy orangey shade, and putting that up here. There we have that part. Going back into my P. Louise base, I'm just going to clean this up. Don't that feel nice? Next color is this green right here. I'm gonna put that on the outer and the inner. This thing is really green. Then I'm gonna go into this light green shade right here, and then this orange yellow shade. Oh, that's cute. I'm gonna go into Ankara in the middle, so I know where to place the yellow. This is so gorgeous! Alright, now I'm going into this shade right here. Dinner break. Alright, so I'm gonna add liner. I'm trying to hurry up and finish because my head is pounding now. Oh. Alright, I was going to add more, but my head is hurting so bad. So now that I have that, I'm going to take the greens, the dark green and the light green, and put that under the waterline. Of course, stuff is falling. A mascara. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty and put that in the inner corner. Liner. This is not as dark as my Maybelline liner, but definitely ran out of my Maybelline liner. My head is killing me. I need to get this done. Alright, setting my face. Setting my face using the All Nighting Setting Spray. Going back into my Trophy Wipe by Fenty Beauty. Yeah, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, bye.